What's up guys, I'm Pranav, hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed already for whatever reason, go and hit that subscribe button and we'll get right into it. So guys, first things first, I'll be showing you guys my gym routine. Nothing special, a pretty simple routine I like to do 2 times a week. If you're wondering why I'm doing it only 2 times a week, it's because I really want to focus on getting as much hours as I can on the field with the ball instead of focusing on my fitness and strength at the moment. So I'm only doing it 2 times a week so I can optimize my field training sessions and pitch work, and also so I don't overtrain. Okay, for my gym routine, I'll be doing a series of compound lifts. I'll be using a dumbbell and a dumbbell only for this routine. Like I said before, nothing too special.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
After I finished my weight session, I then moved on to doing a quick bodyweight abs workout.
For the animals we stand. Let's go back to